Imagine walking into adulthood with your finances in check, confident in your choices, and free from the financial pressure that so many others face. That's the goal of financial independence. And yes, it's possible to start this journey as young as 18. Becoming financially independent at 18 doesn't mean being rich or retiring tomorrow. It means having the freedom to make choices without being restricted by money. It's a journey that requires planning, discipline, and commitment. Let's dive into the steps that can help you become financially independent and set yourself up for success. Step 1. Change your mindset on money. The journey to financial independence starts in your mind. How you think about money will shape how you handle it. Money isn't just something to spend. It's a tool that can work for you, helping you achieve goals and build a stable future. Focus on growth, not instant gratification. Many people fall into the trap of wanting immediate rewards, like buying the latest gadgets or expensive clothes. Shift your mindset to prioritize long-term goals over short-term satisfaction. See money as an investment in yourself. Saving and investing now means you're building a foundation for future freedom. Look at every dollar as an opportunity to grow your independence. A strong mindset around money will guide your decisions and help you stay on course toward financial freedom. Step 2. Start earning and developing multiple income streams. At 18, you may have limited experience or resources, but there are still plenty of ways to start earning. Financial independence is about having enough income to support yourself without relying on others, and building multiple income streams can help you achieve this. Get a part-time job. Look for flexible part-time work that can support your income. Jobs in retail, food service, or online gigs are a great start. Develop a side hustle. Tap into your skills and interests to create a side income. Whether it's freelancing, graphic design, tutoring, or selling products online, side hustles can provide extra cash and valuable experience. Explore passive income options. Passive income, like selling digital products or investing in dividends, can bring in money without constant effort. While it may take time to build up, every bit helps. Building multiple income streams ensures that you're not entirely dependent on one job and creates more financial stability. Step 3. Live below your means and budget wisely. One of the biggest traps young people fall into is lifestyle inflation, spending more as they earn more. To become financially independent, it's essential to live below your means and manage your money carefully. Create a budget. Track your income and expenses. A budget helps you see where your money goes and ensures you're not overspending. Prioritize needs over wants. It's easy to spend money on things you want, but focus on essentials first. Cut back on things you don't need, and save on small luxuries to maximize your savings. Embrace minimalism. You don't need the latest trends or gadgets to be happy. Focus on the essentials, and avoid getting caught up in materialism. Living simply allows you to save more for your future. A disciplined budget keeps your finances under control and enables you to save and invest wisely. Step 4. Start saving and building an emergency fund. Financial independence means being prepared for unexpected expenses. Having savings in place can prevent debt and provide a sense of security. Save a portion of every paycheck. No matter how small your income is, save a part of it. Start with even 10 to 20% and build from there. Build an emergency fund. Set aside money for emergencies, aiming for at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This fund can cover unexpected costs without derailing your financial goals. An emergency fund is a financial safety net, giving you confidence that you can handle unforeseen expenses. Step 5. Learn the basics of investing. Early, saving alone isn't enough for financial independence. Investing helps your money grow over time. The sooner you start, the more time your investments have to increase in value. Understand compound interest. Compound interest allows your investments to grow exponentially over time. The earlier you start, the more you'll benefit. Start with beginner-friendly options. Look into options like index funds or ETFs, which are low-cost and diversified, making them ideal for beginners. Consider a retirement account. If possible, open a retirement account like an IRA, which allows your money to grow tax-free. Starting early will give your retirement fund years to grow. Investing isn't about getting rich quickly. It's about building wealth steadily. With patience and persistence, your investments can become a significant source of financial stability. Step 6. Develop skills that will increase your earning potential. To become financially independent, it's essential to keep building skills that can increase your earning potential. Invest in skills that can help you advance in your career or business. Identify valuable skills. Focus on skills in demand, like digital marketing, programming, graphic design, or any specialized skill in your field. Continue learning. Take online courses, attend workshops, or read books related to your interests. The more you know, the more valuable you become in the job market. Network building relationships with professionals in your field can open doors to new opportunities and allow you to learn from others. Developing valuable skills will make you more competitive in the job market and allow you to command higher pay. Step 7. Surround yourself with supportive people. Your financial mindset and habits are often influenced by those around you. Surround yourself with people who understand your goals and respect your journey toward financial independence. Find mentors. Seek guidance from those who have achieved financial success. Their insights and experience can provide invaluable advice and motivation. Connect with like-minded friends. Spend time with friends who respect your goals and won't pressure you into unnecessary spending. A supportive network helps you stay motivated and focused on your financial journey. Becoming financially independent at 18 is no small task. It requires determination, discipline, and sometimes saying no to things that might seem tempting. But the freedom that comes with financial independence is worth every sacrifice. With a strong mindset, smart spending, saving, investing, and a willingness to keep learning, you're not just setting yourself up for success. You're laying the foundation for a lifetime of freedom. Start today, and you'll thank yourself later.